Okay, Louisiana, please pay attention. Everybody should be paying attention because this story should have national coverage right now, but Louisiana especially, please pay attention. So my mama brought this in here and asked me about this constitutional amendment we have on the ballot for November, which is Act 246, which is HB 298, provides relative to the prohibition of involuntary servitude and administration of criminal justice. So when you hear people say slavery is on the ballot in Louisiana this year, it is. Now, here's how it's going to read on the ballot. Do you support an amendment to prohibit the use of involuntary servitude except as it applies to the otherwise lawful administration of criminal justice? And it amends Article 1, Section 3. The answer is no. Vote no so that they can clear this language up and introduce it again in another session. Here is why. Remember on here, it said it amends Article 1, Section 3. Here is Section 3 of the Constitution of Louisiana. No person shall be denied the equal protection of the laws. No law shall discriminate against a person because of race or religious ideas, beliefs, or affiliations. No law shall arbitrarily, capriciously, or unreasonably discriminate against a person because of birth, age, sex, culture, physical condition, or political ideas or affiliations. Here's what they want to amend. Slavery and involuntary servitude are prohibited except in the latter case as punishment for crime. What they're proposing is already in our Constitution. Slavery is prohibited except for punishment of crime. Criminals in Louisiana can be enslaved and forced to do involuntary servitude. That's already on the books. That's 13th Amendment. Go watch 13th on Netflix, the documentary that Ava DuVernay put together. That is what we're talking about here. But what they have changed it to is this. They're just changing wording. Subparagraph number 1 of this paragraph does not apply to the otherwise lawful administration of criminal justice. So that's the same thing. The lawful administration of criminal justice makes slavery okay in Louisiana. And this is what they're just saying it over again. That doesn't make any sense to me. I am not a lawyer, but I called a lawyer friend and she told me that's exactly what they're doing. She said that they are broadening the scope is what she said, that they're basically putting it out there, taking it back to Jim Crow days, like basically saying they can subject you to involuntary servitude for any application of any kind of criminal justice they deem necessary, and it will be legal. So vote no on this shit, y'all. Vote no, vote no, vote no.